Okay, sorry about this video. It's kind of all over the place. I was able to get my wife's car fixed. I don't think I've talked about it after I dropped it off. I was able to get everything set up on my car before my trip to Georgia, and I am now here in Georgia. So, yeah. What's up, Fitted Squad? This is Brad, aka Too Fitted, coming to you with another quick video. And today, well, first off, I want to say happy holidays. I know I've been out for a little bit. It's been a little hectic around here, and it's probably gonna be a little hectic for a few weeks at least. So I'm not sure how regular I'm gonna be back just yet, but today I'm going to get my wife's car looked at. We have another misfire, cylinder 3 again. If you remember the video from about a year ago, we had the replaced the coil pack, and it's been, I don't know if it's exactly a year or if it's more than a year or whatever, but we got the coil packs replaced and we've been good all this time, and it just kind of came back. So we're gonna have Speed Zone take a look. There's another error that popped up as well, but we'll get that taken care of. The Ultima, I haven't done anything new on it. I still need to replace the actual front lip, but like I said, it's been pretty crazy and hectic. And I will be going back to Georgia here pretty soon. Not exactly sure. I think might be next Monday. I might be going back, depending on how everything goes with the car. But stay tuned for that. Now I should have time to meet up with some people, even though this trip is going to be for family again. I should still have a little time to meet up with a few people. Hopefully we can get something together. I know it's been pretty crazy cold there, at least my standards. So also make sure you go to the site and cop some merch. Alright, so I'm here. You know, it's always something dope here at Speed Zone. Missed him airing up all the way, but it's clean. But it's definitely clean. Nice setup. Even that got some nice wheels on it. Well, this caught my eye too. And that as well. But yeah, let's go ahead and get checked in. And I know we had a different location than where I used to start my videos, but I'm over here with the homie Angelo at his house, and homie Ryan's here as well. We just got a few things we're gonna be doing with the cars. Don't know everything just yet. Oops, sorry about that. So I know I do need to get my front lip replaced. I've had the replacement for like a month, maybe longer, but we're gonna finally get that replaced. What else? I do want to get the switch on so I can start using my underglow again, and I think that's it for me. And we're gonna take a look and see what's up with Angelo's car and what's up with Ryan's audio. So let's get to it.
I just noticed something. So the retard, they didn't give me the detour.
Alright, so we've been chilling. I know I ain't pick up the camera much, probably at all. It's gonna be a pretty short video at this rate. But when Angelo's his speakers was not working, it was disconnected inside the box, so that's fixed. Then I have a switch put into my car for the underglow. As you can see, it's off. And let's see, can we focus? Focus. Alright, there we go. Switch is right there. Hit that. And it is on. And hit it, and it's off. So that's gonna be good. Of course, I still have the app, so I can go in, change the colors, and do everything I need. So the way he set it up is way better than I was expecting. So we're good on that. Now, as far as the front lip, I might not be able to install that right now because my underglow is actually connected to it. So, or maybe not. Looks like we got some. So we might be able to put it on. Definitely stay tuned. There it is now. Alright, so came check out the homie Sean, ATL Customs. He's actually the one who hooked me up with the Speed Zone Fitter Squad discount. So definitely shout out to him. I'll throw a link to the Instagram for ATL Customs and his Instagram as well. So definitely go ahead and follow him. Also, if you're in the area, definitely hit up the shop. They do a lot of custom work. They don't have like air suspension, but they do custom colors for the wheels for the full car. They have 4 Giottos in stock. They have, well, I don't know if they have anything bigger than 32s, but I know they have up to 32s, and they have a lot of stuff in stock, so definitely make sure you check them out. Of course, this is not sponsored, just showing love, that's really it. But yeah, I know this video was all over the place, so I apologize for that. But I'd like to thank you all for tuning in. Please like, comment, subscribe. Oh, also, I'm gonna be throwing some, if we have like a meet or anything while I'm here in Georgia, I'll throw it in the description in order to be on Instagram as it's gonna happen. So definitely stay tuned for that. There'll probably be something on Saturday, maybe Sunday. So yeah, thanks for tuning in. Please like, comment, subscribe, and as always, stay fitted. Peace.